555. Trust where life is going to take you. Something that seems like a huge disaster could be the thing changing your life the most, giving you everything after. Type 555 if you believe. The universe is saying to you, you upgraded your frequency and now you are attracting abundant new opportunities, friendships, financial well-being, and spiritual healing. A great shift is taking place in your life. You are letting go of decades of mental programming that no longer serves you. You are ending generational trauma and claiming your higher potential. A wave of positive energy is flowing into your life. Celebrate and appreciate these new blessings. Type Amen to claim it and also subscribe God Manifesto.